before I forget to document this. 5 separate LEDs. What happens? Orbs around instead of just the one light like we're seeing. They'll each take one of the LEDs, yeah? This is what happens with the bowls in the bathroom. And that explains, my friends, the shadow scenario, because there's 2 lights in the bathroom. So orb presence, you get to see each individual LED. You can see how there's 5. So, I've done this very well. I thought this might be an easier example. I had originally saw it with a wire that might work better. Shit. Yeah, this will work better. Right, one of these, scalpel thing. Oh, look at the shadows. And yeah, I think you can see there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shadows. 1, see the Orbeez? There. That's your Orbeez, everyone. It's not sundogs. They're little lens flares. They're orbs. Anyhow, that's what happens. There's 5 of them. 5 opportunities to blend into the background and mimic the light, and that's where you get the alterations and the extra shadows, and it explains the shadow scenario in the bathroom where I get double shadows. I'm not an android as far as I know yet. So yeah, here, that's my hand, there's 5 shadows, yeah. That's my hand because I got bent. Okay, this is just a bit weird because I'm actually not getting. Alright, I haven't solved the mystery. I made it worse because I think I'm getting more shadows. I can't tell. Oh, it's just this was supposed to settle things, not No, I think it's still 5. It's just that. Yeah, it's 5 little fingers. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5 little fingers. Yeah, 5. Yeah, 5 of each finger. For a second, I thought I had extra hands there as well, but no. See, so it's just what we were saying before. Look at that. That's just what happens in the bathroom, but it happens 5 times because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, normally we're just seeing one light, we're not separating them yet. Orbs come along and they see 5 separate lights. They separate them when they're doing their thing, and becomes evident in the shadows, reflections, these subtle and not so subtle variations between light and dark. As you may have heard me bang on about, what was the shadow on my hair though? Yeah, the shadow starts a bit early, doesn't it? So look at that. Yeah. Get the idea. For now, I'm going to stop before I find something else weird. Yeah, 5 phones. Alright. Anyhow. Everyone can get some sleep at night and stop worrying about my shadows. I'm sure everyone's 3%. Yeah. So as I said all along, it was all block, and it was all block. But the bees will piss off. Hey, thanks bud. What's going on, crew? Hey, thanks, matey. I was gonna be stood up. Put it on the left. Cheers, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thanks, man. Thank you, imbeciles. Number of reflections. There's only one light on my phone. Does a few creating that, which is cool. Cheers, guys.